Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of changing the vibration settings for Stories notifications in Telegram. Are you looking to customize the vibration duration for Stories notifications to a longer duration? Well, you're in luck. Telegram allows you to easily change the vibration settings to a longer duration for a more noticeable notification experience. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of changing the vibration settings for Stories notifications to long. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Step 2. In the top left corner of the screen, tap on the 3 stacked lines. This will open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Notification and Sounds. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Vibrate. Step 4. Tap on the Vibrate option. You'll see a list of vibration settings. Select Long to change the vibration duration for Stories notifications to a longer duration. By following these simple steps, you can easily customize the vibration settings for Stories notifications to a longer duration, ensuring that you don't miss any important notifications. Customizing the vibration duration allows you to have a more noticeable and attention-grabbing notification experience. Whether you're in a noisy environment or simply want to make sure you don't miss any important messages, setting the vibration duration to long can be incredibly useful. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the custom vibration experience for your Telegram Stories notifications.